Welcome to the rating system overview for LEED version 4, One Residential Multifamily. This presentation will provide you with a brief overview of our latest rating system for residential buildings. Our architecture firm has LEED GA credential, and we are going to explain the importance of this certification for all new projects. See how we can design to be sustainable. We know that green homes contribute to creating a healthy and comfortable living environment, and LEED v4. One makes it even more achievable for multifamily projects around the globe. LEED v4. One for multifamily and corn shell projects is currently available to projects outside the US and Canada. By watching this module, you will be able to explain the development goals of LEED v41 residential. You will learn to identify how the rating system adapts and is flexible according to market needs. Additionally, you will be able to recognize various alternatives for using the rating system and list the necessary steps for certification, including the mandatory role of the LEED Green Rater. A LEED residence aims to provide occupants with a superior living environment. These homes are constructed to be healthier, ensuring cleaner indoor air, and use safe, healthy building materials. Additionally, they are designed for enhanced comfort and quietness. LEED homes are more energy and water efficient compared to standard homes, leading to reduced utility bills. Furthermore, LEED homes have been demonstrated to sell faster and maintain a higher market value. For those of you who are familiar with the previous version titled LEED v4, you will remember that we had several rating system options for different types of residential buildings. Firstly, we have LEED for homes and multifamily low-rise, which is still applicable under v4 for single-family and multifamily buildings of 1 to 3 stories. Additionally, we offer LEED for multifamily mid-rise, suitable for multifamily buildings of 4 stories and above, provided they contain 50% or more residential space. Under these two rating systems, multifamily buildings ranging from 3 to 5 stories can select the one that best fits their needs. Furthermore, for v4, buildings that are 4 stories or taller have an additional option. They can choose LEED for new construction and major renovations if they prefer, or they can continue with the specialized multifamily rating system. Now let's delve deeper into our newest rating system, which is the focus of this module, v41. Since its inception, LEED has been at the forefront of setting standards for sustainable living. With the new LEED v41, a leadership standard has been introduced, specifically tailored for the residential building sector. This latest rating system, LEED Residential v41, introduces a novel approach to residential projects. It synthesizes the most pertinent aspects and standards from previous rating systems, both commercial and residential, and aligns them with the current priorities of residential markets worldwide. Furthermore, LEED v41 brings the certification process more in line with the commercial sector. It utilizes LEED credit forms to document credit compliance, while still maintaining the essential requirement for third-party on-site verification. This integration offers a streamlined approach that reflects both the evolving needs of the residential sector and the rigorous standards of commercial projects. There are 5 main objectives that have steered the technical development of LEED v41 residential. The first goal is to prioritize human health by always putting people first. This is achieved by promoting choices that safeguard human health, and LEED v41 includes credits that help create housing that is both healthier and more efficient. The second goal is to ensure that users of the latest LEED version are at the forefront of the residential marketplace, establishing themselves as true leaders. The third aim is to enhance our ability to track and improve the performance of all certified buildings. The fourth goal focuses on ensuring flexibility to accommodate the diverse range of residential buildings. Lastly, the fifth goal is to broaden the reach of LEED, making it globally relevant yet adaptable to local markets. These goals collectively aim to elevate the standard of sustainable living in residential spaces worldwide. In LEED v41, we have developed a unified suite of rating systems that is both simple and streamlined, specifically tailored for the residential market. This rating system is designed to cater to your unique needs based on several factors: the location of your project, the type of occupancy, and the fit-out type. You will have the flexibility to select the most appropriate variation of the rating system to suit your specific project requirements. These adaptations are crafted without sacrificing the integrity, rigor, and market value that LEED is known for. To accommodate different occupancy and fit-out types, we offer various adaptations of the rating system. These include specific configurations for single-family construction, multifamily construction, and multifamily core and shell projects. This approach ensures that all types of residential projects can benefit from LEED certification, tailored to their specific needs and contexts. These adaptations are crafted without sacrificing the integrity, rigor, and market value that LEED is known for. To accommodate different occupancy and fit-out types, we offer various adaptations of the rating system. These include specific configurations for single-family construction, multifamily construction, and multifamily core and shell projects. This approach ensures that all types of residential projects can benefit from LEED certification, tailored to their specific needs and contexts. In this version of LEED, we have introduced the core and shell adaptation for residential buildings. This adaptation is designed to accommodate a significant portion of the global residential market where developers construct the building shell and deliver it to owners or tenants without installing internal fixtures and appliances, such as space heating, cooling equipment, and possibly even lighting. The term core and shell refers to projects where the developers do not install any of the space conditioning systems or electrical appliances, including lighting and ceiling fans. However, these projects still include all the interior finishes that fall within the scope of the developer's responsibilities. This approach allows developers to build the structural and exterior elements of a building, while enabling owners or tenants to customize the interior according to their specific needs and preferences. Whenever possible, LEED v41 Residential has been aligned with LEED v41 Building Design and Construction. This alignment ensures that similar LEED standards are maintained across different types of buildings, fostering consistency and reliability in sustainable building practices. It also simplifies the process for professionals who work across both the commercial and residential building sectors, allowing them to apply their knowledge and skills seamlessly between these areas. This coordination aims to enhance the usability of LEED standards and make it easier for industry professionals to implement and manage projects within these frameworks. As a leadership standard, LEED provides a global vision and serves as a benchmarking tool that supports projects from any location to be designed and constructed in accordance with international guidelines, positioning them as industry leaders. However, LEED also recognizes that projects are designed, built, and operated under a variety of different contexts worldwide. To acknowledge the diversity of regional and local conditions, LEED Residential has been developed to be as responsive and flexible as possible. The rating system includes alternative compliance pathways for some credits specifically to address local issues. Furthermore, it is equipped with global implementation guidelines, which allow LEED Residential to be applicable globally while still being adaptable to regional and local requirements. This flexibility ensures that LEED residential can meet the specific needs and challenges faced by different geographical areas, making it a versatile option for sustainable building certification. An example of LEED's adaptable approach is the version of LEED V41 residential for multifamily and multifamily core and shell projects that has been specifically adapted for India. This tailored version addresses the unique environmental, economic, and social conditions prevalent in India. It offers compliance options that allow projects to meet credit requirements using local and regional standards. This adaptation ensures that the rating system is relevant and effective, enabling projects in India to achieve sustainability targets while adhering to the local context and regulations. This strategy exemplifies how LEED accommodates diverse global contexts, ensuring that its principles are both applicable and practicable worldwide. Like other LEED rating systems, LEED V41 residential for multifamily and core and shell consists of mandatory prerequisites and optional credits, which are organized into specific credit categories. These categories are aligned with those found in other LEED rating systems to maintain consistency and facilitate understanding among professionals who work across different types of projects. In a few minutes, we'll begin discussing the first credit category, the integrative process. This category focuses on holistic project planning and design strategies that integrate all aspects of environmental sustainability from the start of the project. Here's an overview of what you'll find on the scorecard, which outlines the prerequisites and credits within the LEED V41 residential multifamily rating system. This scorecard serves as a concise guide to the system structure. It displays a similar layout and content for the single-family adaptation, although there are some differences in specific areas. In the scorecard, prerequisites are mandatory for every project and are indicated in italics. These are the baseline requirements that must be fulfilled to qualify for certification. Additionally, there are credits which are optional and can earn various levels of points. To be certified, a project must meet all the prerequisites and also achieve a minimum number of points from these optional credits. The maximum points that can be earned through the rating system total 110. This system allows project teams to select credits that best suit their specific project needs based on their applicability. The scorecard is accessible for download from the USGBC, U.S. Green Building Council website. Ensure you download the version specific to LEED V41 residential multifamily to get the correct information for your project. Let's discuss how to get started with LEED V41 residential. There are several ways you can engage with this system to harness its benefits. Register a new project. You can initiate the process by registering a new LEED V41 residential project. This is a straightforward way to start fresh with the latest standards and guidelines. Upgrade an existing project. If you already have a project registered under LEED V4, you have the option to upgrade to V41. This upgrade can help align your project with the newest innovations and standards in sustainable building. Substitute credits. For those with ongoing LEED V4 projects, it is possible to substitute certain approved V41 credits into your current V4 project. This is an excellent method for project teams to begin incorporating the new LEED V41 residential concepts into their existing projects without needing to re-register or start over. Provide feedback. Lastly, we strongly encourage you to share your feedback with us regarding LEED V41. Your insights are invaluable as they help us refine and enhance LEED standards. The input from users and stakeholders plays a crucial role in keeping LEED dynamic and relevant to the evolving demands of the market. By engaging in any of these ways, you can effectively integrate LEED VE41 residential standards into your projects and contribute to the continuous improvement of LEED systems. Every LEED residential rating system necessitates third-party verification, which must be performed by a LEED Green Rater accredited by the Green Building Certification, Inc. (GBCI). It's crucial that the LEED Green Rater is not affiliated with the project team to maintain objectivity. They must strictly be an independent third party. You will need to hire a certified LEED Green Rater. This individual will visit your project location to carry out the essential verification tasks. Their job is to ensure that your project adheres to LEED standards by verifying that all mandatory and chosen credits are correctly applied. This step is essential for the project to qualify for LEED certification. There are several important considerations to keep in mind regarding the role of the LEED Green Rater in LEED residential projects. Mandatory verification steps. The LEED Green Rater is required to perform numerous mandatory verification steps throughout the construction process. Some of these verifications occur mid-construction, while others take place upon completion. Visual verification and performance testing. In addition to visual inspections, the LEED Green Rater must conduct various performance tests. They also need to collect supplemental documentation to ensure compliance with LEED standards. Early and continuous communication. It is crucial to engage a Green Rater early in the design phase of your project. Maintaining close communication with them during construction is essential to ensure that they are present at critical project milestones for necessary verifications. Completion. Before certification, certification can only be granted once all verification tasks have been completed. This underscores the importance of thorough and timely verification throughout the project. Further information and finding a Green Rater. Detailed information about verification and performance testing requirements can be found in the rating system documents and other related publications provided by LEED. To find a LEED Green Rater, you can use the People directory on the USGBC, U.S. Green Building Council website. Here, you can filter for a LEED Green Rater in your specific region to ensure they are accessible for your project. To achieve LEED certification for a project, there are several key steps you need to follow. 1. Establish LEED goals. Start by setting clear LEED goals and gathering all necessary project details. This initial planning stage is crucial for guiding the subsequent steps of the certification process. 2. Contract with a LEED Green Rater. Engage a LEED Green Rater early in the design phase. This is a mandatory requirement as their involvement is crucial for verifying compliance with LEED standards throughout the design and construction phases. 3. Complete a LEED scorecard. Use the LEED scorecard to identify which credits your project will target and to familiarize yourself with the mandatory prerequisites. This step helps in strategizing how to meet the specific LEED criteria. 4. Communicate goals and responsibilities. Clearly communicate the LEED goals to all team members and define responsibilities. It's important that everyone involved understands their role in achieving the LEED targets. 5. Register the project. Register your project with LEED Online to officially start your pursuit of LEED certification. This registration formalizes your intent to seek certification. 6. Design and build. According to LEED standards, proceed with designing and constructing your project according to the established LEED requirements. This includes implementing strategies to earn both the mandatory prerequisites and chosen credits. 7. Verification by LEED. Green Rater. Ensure that your LEED Green Rater is actively involved during construction to fulfill all verification requirements. This involves both on-site assessments and the collection of necessary documentation to prove compliance. 8. Submission for review. After all verifications are complete, your LEED Green Rater will submit your project for review to the Green Building Certification Inc. (GBCI). 9. Certification Issuance. GBCI will review the submitted project application. Once the review is complete and if all standards are met, GBCI will issue the LEED certification. By carefully following these steps and ensuring that every phase of the project adheres to LEED standards, your project can successfully achieve LEED certification, showcasing its sustainability and efficiency. The LEED V41 rating system for multifamily and core and shell projects is currently exclusive to projects located outside the USA and Canada. In this context, the LEED Green Rater plays a crucial role in the certification process, especially in terms of required verification. Once the construction is complete and all necessary verifications are finalized, the project moves into the submission phase for certification review. The LEED Green Rater, who is essential throughout the process, is responsible for submitting the certification application to the Green Building Certification Inc. (GBCI). To highlight the components of this submission, LEED Submittal Template. This document organizes the required information and evidence in a standardized format that GBCI reviews. LEED Forms and Calculators. These are used for the credits that the project is pursuing. They help quantify and validate the sustainability measures implemented in the project. Documentation for all prerequisites. The application must include evidence that the project meets all the mandatory prerequisites outlined in the LEED rating system. Conflict of interest form. If there is any instance where a conflict of interest needs to be disclosed, this will be included in the submission. This detailed submission ensures that all aspects of the LEED requirements are met and documented, allowing GBCI to thoroughly review, and if everything is in order, certify the project. The role of the LEED Green Rater is pivotal in ensuring that the submission is complete and accurately reflects the sustainability efforts of the project. Every resource related to LEED residential is available on the USGBC website, usgbc.org. There, you can access a variety of materials including educational videos and the complete LEED rating system documentation. Additionally, you'll find beta guides, a directory of green raters, and various examples of LEED-certified projects. These resources are designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to begin your LEED project. For any LEED project aiming for certification, adopting an integrative process is crucial as it significantly enhances the chances of success. This approach involves comprehensive planning and collaboration among all team members from the outset, ensuring that sustainability goals are integrated throughout every phase of the project. This leads us into our first credit category, the integrative process category, which emphasizes the importance of this collaborative and holistic approach in achieving LEED certification. The integrative process category focuses on cost effectiveness and collaboration among project team members. It aims to engage all stakeholders early in the project to explore and implement synergistic strategies that benefit the various systems and components of the residential project. This category encourages a holistic approach, ensuring that decisions made are not only efficient but also add value across different aspects of the building's design and construction. For projects aiming to earn a point under the Integrative Process credit, there are two available options. Option 1. Installation Contractor Training. This option involves providing training for installation contractors on the specific requirements and sustainable practices relevant to the project. The goal is to ensure that the contractors are well informed about the sustainability goals of the project and the techniques needed to achieve them. Option 2. The Integrative Process. Itself, This option focuses on engaging the project team in an integrative process from the project's outset. It involves collaborative planning and design sessions that incorporate all stakeholders' input to maximize sustainable outcomes across all stages of the project. For option 1, titled Installation Contractor Training, the requirement is to conduct at least an 8-hour training session. This training should encompass key construction trades crucial to the project, including plumbing, mechanical systems, insulation, framing, and air sealing. It's important that contractors in these specific areas are all present for the training. The training session is designed to ensure that all relevant contractors are well versed in the sustainability objectives and specific techniques that need to be applied during construction. This session must take place before the actual construction begins and after the installation contractors have been hired, to ensure that all participants are current team members who will be directly involved in the project. Option 2 of the Integrative Process Credit involves a detailed approach structured around 3 main components: discovery, implementation, and exemplary performance. Here's a breakdown of what each component entails. Discovery. In this initial phase, project teams are tasked with identifying and utilizing opportunities to create synergies across various disciplines and building systems. The focus is primarily on systems related to energy and water. This step involves exploring ways in which different systems can work together more efficiently, enhancing the overall sustainability of the project. Implementation. During the implementation phase, the project team must develop a letter that summarizes their approach to the integrative process. This document should detail how this approach has improved team interactions and overall project performance. The aim is to document the methods used and the positive impacts of these methods, demonstrating the value of a collaborative and integrative approach. Exemplary performance. For teams aiming for an additional point under exemplary performance, they need to choose an additional lens through which to demonstrate the outcomes and benefits of the integrative process. Possible areas of focus for this component include site selection, social equity, and health and well-being. This step allows teams to showcase how their integrative approach has not only improved environmental outcomes, but also enhanced social and health aspects of the project. For more detailed information, including how to select the appropriate rating system and access key published guidance for LEED v41, you can visit the U.S. Green Building Council's website. This page will provide you with comprehensive insights and materials related to LEED VE41, helping you navigate the certification process effectively. Our Call Your Expert Architect for Assistance. Thank you for joining us in this introductory module. We hope this overview has inspired you to learn more, and we encourage you to watch the rest of the modules in this series to delve deeper into the prerequisites and credits of LEED Residential. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at USGBC. We would like to remind you that our architectural firm specializes in these certifications, and we are here to help you navigate the certification process and ensure the success of your sustainable project. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you next time.